In this video, I'll be showing you how I make the Norwegian fårikål or stewed lamb and cabbage for my Nigerian family. Hey guys, you're welcome back to the Afrofood Diary. In today's episode, I'll be doing something different from my normal African dishes, okay? This is going to be a stewed lamb and cabbage, like you can see already. So stewed lamb, like Norwegians would make it, is a very simple dish requiring little or no spicing apart from black pepper, salt and flour to thicken it up. But for my Nigerian family who will be having this for the first time, I would be making it with some extra spices like habanero, scotch bonnet pepper, with some ginger, with some dry herbs and seasoning cube. So the first thing I'll be doing will be to add the fresh habanero pepper, the ginger, and some dry rosemary into the blender and blend it up. Then in this pan on medium to high heat, I added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to be browning up the lamb for a bit. I just want to get some spices into it. We actually do not eat lamb regularly, so whenever I make something new for my family, I like to make it at least spicy so that way they can enjoy it. So I went ahead to pour in the blended pepper and ginger, and as well add some seasoning powder. Okay, so I'm going to be flipping that over after about 4 minutes on each side. The goal is to get the lamb evenly browned and spiced up. So after that, I'll take it off. And here is the cabbage, which is the other major ingredient for this dish. You want to cut it up into bigger chunks like I'm doing right here. You also want to have as much cabbage as you have the lamb, okay? So they should be equal, and you need a pot that is big enough for the two ingredients. So you want to start with layering the lamb at the bottom of the pot. If you're using the peppercorns, like the black peppercorns, the unblended one, you want to layer the black pepper and salt after each set, like you can see here. I don't know if that makes sense. So you put the lamb below, cover it with cabbage, then put another lamb on top and cover it again with cabbage. So depending on the quantity you're cooking, you keep doing this until you exhaust the quantity of the lamb and the cabbage. Once I'm done layering this, I will go on and rinse the pan with which I stir fried the lamb. I'm going to be spicing it up with some black pepper, with some salt as well to taste. So you want to taste this and be sure the taste is perfect for you. Then I'm going to be pouring it in here, as well as rinse my blender to add more fluid to this. We need enough water to cook this meat, right? Yeah, so just about the height of the whole thing. I'll cover it at this point and let it cook on a medium heat for about 2 hours. 2 hours is just a number. It can cook for less or more time. You check your meat when it's tender and the meat comes off the bones easily, then it's ready. So I went ahead to mix about 2 tablespoons of the flour and added to thicken it up. I allowed it to simmer for another 5 minutes on very low heat before serving. Fårikål is, as the Norwegians call it, is served with boiled potatoes. So that is it for today's recipe. Hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.